Today, we are going to discuss about Apple, iPhone 16 and 16 Pro leaks, bold design, specs and price revealed. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to CodingXpert. Today, we've got some super exciting leaks about the upcoming Apple iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro. Buckle up, because this year, Apple's bringing some major changes, and we're here to spill all the juicy details, from design to specs and pricing. Let's dive in. So, let's start with the boldest change, the design. Apple is reportedly going all in on larger screen sizes. The iPhone 16 Pro models will come in two sizes, with the iPhone 16 Pro Max pushing up to a 6.9-inch display. That's almost tablet territory. But wait, there's more. We're hearing that the flat-edged design we've loved since the iPhone 12 might evolve. Rumors suggest Apple is working on curved glass edges, which would give the phone a much sleeker look. Now, what about performance? This is where things get serious. The iPhone 16 Pro is expected to be powered by Apple's next-gen chip, the A18 Bionic. This will likely be a beast in terms of speed and efficiency, making it one of the fastest chips in any smartphone. We're also hearing rumors about upgraded RAM, moving from 8GB to 12GB on the Pro models. And for all you mobile gamers and multitaskers out there, this could be a game changer. Of course, you can expect the usual improvements like better thermal management and power efficiency, ensuring the phone stays cool even during heavy usage. Next up, the cameras. This might be one of the most exciting parts of the iPhone 16 Pro. Leaks suggest that the main camera sensor could be a whopping 48mm, but with even more enhancements for low-light photography. And if you love zooming in, the periscope zoom lens introduced in the 15 Pro Max might make its way to the entire Pro lineup in the iPhone 16 series. The front-facing camera is also rumored to get an upgrade with improved portrait modes and better video quality for all your TikToks and Instagram reels. All right, let's talk about the battery. The Pro models are expected to feature bigger batteries to accommodate the larger display and more powerful internals. We might also see faster charging speeds, potentially up to 40 W wired and 20 W wireless with the next-gen MagSafe. Now let's talk numbers. While nothing is confirmed yet, leaks suggest the iPhone 16 could start at around $899 for the base model, while the iPhone 16 Pro might begin at $1,099. The Pro Max version could push towards $1,299, depending on the storage options. Expect the phones to launch in September 2024, following Apple's usual release schedule. So, there you have it. The iPhone 16 and 16 Pro are shaping up to be one of Apple's biggest updates in years. What are you most excited about? The larger display, the camera upgrades, or the insane performance boosts? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more tech updates and leaks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tech savvy.